And welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here at the Kroger 5x digital coupon event participating items. This sale will run from today, November the 14th, through November the 22nd of 2018, which is Thanksgiving. So this is actually going to go on for 9 days. Kroger is not starting a new ad until after Thanksgiving, Black Friday. So yeah, the sale will last for a total of 9 days. So next Wednesday, don't come back expecting a video because there's not going to be anything new to talk about. So yeah, come back on Black Friday and I will have Kroger videos up because that's when the new sale will begin, is on Black Friday. So keep that in mind. Kroger's going to change it up for Thanksgiving. And also, I did 2 other Kroger videos this week. So don't just watch this one and think there's nothing else. If you click the little line in the top right corner, you'll be directed to my other 2 Kroger videos for this week, which is the couponing deals and the mega event participating items. So there is a little mega event going on. It's not huge, but there's quite a few items on it. And there are some really good sales on that mega event. So if you want official coupon matchups, though, go to the Kroger couponing deals video. So, yeah, let's just dive right into these participating items.